Welcome to Reverie bra sew along video tutorial. This is part 8. In this episode we're adding the elastics. This isn't a complicated step, just a bit of work, so let's not waste a second. Pick up your construction guide from the pattern package, and locate the page with 3 tables grouped by the underarm elastic title. The length is for 1 elastic. I am looking at the EU table. With my 75C bra size, I locate the 75 labeled row, and the C column for my cut. I need to cut 2 elastics each having 27.8 centimeters. I've cut my 2 elastics for the upper band. Now I need to look up the length for the bottom band elastic. 1 elastic needed here. Here I have mine cut out. So in total we have 2 shorter upper band elastics, and 1 longer elastic that goes at the bottom. Let's add the first underarm elastic. Direct the scallops towards the bra, and align the straight edge to the edge of the bra. Align the end of the elastic to match the end of the bra exactly, and insert a couple of pins here. Next move to the other end of the elastic, and align it to the strap point of the bra. Again use a couple of pins to fix the elastic to the bra. Note that the elastic is a bit shorter than the bra. Using your both hands pull from each end to stretch, but only the elastic. While stretched, mark with a finger the middle of this stretched segment. Pin here. And now we have the elastic distributed in 2 segments. Repeat the procedure and split the newly formed segments into shorter ones. When done with the left side, move to the other side of the bra, and add the second upper band elastic. Now let's jump to the sewing machine, where we have the simple zigzag stitch set up. Help your machine start by picking the threads at the back and slightly pulling. When you reach a pin, remove it, and slightly stretch the elastic to match the fabric exactly. Continue stitching. While I am speeding the video, you take your time and be careful not to run over a pin. I stitched both upper band elastics. Now I need to straighten the bottom edge. Next, pick the bottom band elastic and fold it in 2. Align the ends, and walk with your fingers towards the middle. Add a pin here to mark the center. And when done, unfold the elastic and let's arrange it. The pin must match the center segment of the bridge. The plush side of the elastic faces us. Pick and pin the elastic to the bra on each side of the center point. Now move on to pinning one end of the elastic to the left side of the bra. Then the other end to the right side of the bra. As with the upper band elastic, here we need to distribute the bottom band elastic in segments as well. With the entire elastic pinned, it is time to stitch. And we're again using the simple zigzag, stitching closer to the scallops, not the plain edge. When walking the bridge area, stop and arrange the elastic with your fingers. Guide the fabric under the presser foot to stitch this slight curved area. Be careful when passing the section under the cups. It's a bit narrow. And we're done with the first pass on band elastics. Let me quickly show you close-ups, on the right side and on the back of our work. Before the second pass on the elastic, we need to trim the fabric excess. Choose small scissors and very carefully start trimming only the fabric. Take your time. We're very close to having the bra ready, and it's worth the effort to not rush. Trim excess on the bottom side, as well as for both upper band edges. Now it's very easy and clean to fold the elastic, and have the scallops peek on the right side of the bra. This time we stitch following the plain edge of the elastic. And for this stitch, we're going to use the 3-step zigzag. If you do not have it, use the simple zigzag. This is the back of my work, and this is the right side. This stitch is called the second pass on the elastic, and you have to do it for both upper band elastics and the bottom. And look at that! Now we can say we have successfully sewn the elastics to the bra. And see how the zigzag runs near the edge of the elastic, enclosing it perfectly. The 3-step zigzag will allow the elastic and the stitch to stretch when we wear the bra. In the next step you're completing the Offie Reverie bra. See you there! Thanks for watching.